going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for you. Alright, y'all, right before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my second channel. The link will be down in the description below. Once you get over to that channel, I want you to smash that subscribe button for me. Road to 1K. Another thing, guys, if you have not copped your 2-6 King Wavy Moisturizer / butter, you need to do that right now. You are missing out, okay? I'm telling you, you're missing out, all right? So the link for that is gonna be down in the description. If you haven't got yours already, go do that right now. Use my discount code 360Juice26 for 26% off. You already seen it in the title. You already know what's gonna happen. You already know what this video is about. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, if I was able to help you out, you feel me, find this video helpful, drop that down in the comment section, and I'll really appreciate that. I love the feedback. If I'm doing something, in the video, if I'm doing something wrong, if I'm doing something right, I want you to comment that down in the comment section, and so that way I can improve myself in the future. Alright, that's it for this video, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I'm out of here, y'all. Peace. Deuces. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out.